is a huge portion, guys. Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, it's the second time we are featuring the Groshery, featuring their awesome, mouth-watering food. These actually are Asian-inspired cuisines. So meron po tayong a sushi pan. However, this sushi pan has 4 flavors in it. So ito yung sinasabi ko dun sa first vlog namin sa kanila na they're gonna be producing a sushi pan that has 4 flavors in it. Let's give a rundown about the flavors. So first off, meron tayong kani shrimp otogi wasabi. And then we also have our creamy salmon. So you have your salmon, and then underneath it, meron tayong a layer of oozing cheese. Yep, cheese. And then lastly, we also have our California maki, of course. This is the famous flavor of sushi pans. And then lastly, meron tayo ditong para sa mga simple or mga pasimple. No? So meron tayong tomago sushi, which is your sushi plus egg on top. Alright. Now, this is the product they want us to know more about in this vlog. So, meron po silang tinatawag na spring rolls. Yeah. From the name itself, it's a spring roll dish. So, usually guys, when you receive spring rolls, medyo nakaayos na yon, and then you just dip it on your peanut butter sauce. But this time, tong sushi pan natin is a deconstructed sushi roll. There's an aspect of do-it-yourself as well. Now this time, itong spring roll natin, you can eat it, all the ingredients all together, or you can actually use these rice papers. Let's give it a taste first, itong kanilang sushi pan. Ang tawag nila dito ay Rosh all for seasons. Season? Anyway, so I'm gonna taste itong kani shrimp otogi wasabi. So meron tayong wasabi on top, plus black and white sesame seed, kani, and shrimp. Alright, so this is our first try. Kani shrimp. This is a huge portion, guys. Oh wow. So yung flavor na to, ha? Grabe guys. First try pa lang natin. That is so heavenly. It's a must try. This is our second try and they call it creamy salmon. Let's try it. The cheese is absolutely creamy. It is delicious, guys. Alright, so this is our taste test number 3. Itong kanilang California maki. So I think this time I was able to get just the right amount. So I'm gonna get in probably for just 1 bite. Cheers! Ooh, wow! Again guys, that is absolutely creamy. So I think this is overloaded with creaminess. Anyway, so this is the last one. Sabi ko nga guys, this is for the, mga pasimple. Cause it has a simple ingredient, rice, egg, and I think Japanese mayo on top. Yeah, let's taste it. Wow! So let's go. Tingnan na natin tong spring rolls nila. So again, you can eat it as is, you toss everything in, or you can use a rice paper. Basahin natin yung instruction. First, wash your hands thoroughly while singing the happy birthday song. Important. And then, pour water in a bowl. Dip 1 rice paper. Alright. As the instruction says, we're gonna dip in rice paper at a time for 3 to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 seconds. There you go. I think this is papaya. We have our crab sticks, shrimp, and then meron tayo ditong carrots. And then lastly, we also have our rice noodles. Alright, and then I think I saw some nuts here. Okay, let's just drizzle some, and then let's roll it. Actually, yung ano natin, rice paper natin, it just seals in, no? Alright, there you have it, guys. It is not perfect, but then again, guys, good enough for first time. Okay, so you can actually dip it here. Absolutely refreshing. Itong peanut butter dip natin or sauce natin, I think it already has yung mga herbs and spices because nung natingman ko siya, it's not the regular peanut butter sauce. Alright! So, again guys, if you got interested with the food that you saw in this video, if you want a do-it-yourself spring roll or Four Seasons sushi pan, make sure to check out the Groshery. We're gonna be flashing their fan page. Alright, grabe guys, this is a great food for, you know, a family to have banding, pa-experience natin sa mga anak natin or mga kapatid natin or even our parents, yung mga ganitong pagkain wherein, you know, include themselves in preparing the food before they actually eat. Alright, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reaction coming from you guys will be highly appreciated, and I hope to see you on the next video. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.